third part. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. U A S V. U 4 and x meter per second x 3 meter per second square 5 meter per second square. Question 8.4 meter 10 meter per second 8 meter per second 10 meter per second. Now V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. V square is equal to U square 2AS. Now 8 square 4 square 2AS. V square U square 2AS. 8 8 is 64, 4 4 is 16, 3 2 is 6s, 10 10 is 100, U square, 5 2 is 10. 10 into 8.4 is equal to 84. So 100 minus 84 U square 16 U square. U is equal to 4 meter per second. 64 minus 16 6s. 64 minus 14, so 50. 50 less this, so 48. Now write that answer in that 8 meter. This is 4 meter per second. Take a photo. Now question number 7, that I have given solution in previous class. Now on the momentum based one question which are not given into the exercise. That is on the page of on page number 16. Mass is given 500 kg. velocity is given 0.25 meter per second. What is a momentum? P. Momentum symbol is this is mv. So P is equal to m. 500 0.25. So 500 0.25. So 25 divided by 100. 1 2 1 2 25 5 okay, kilogram meter per second. Now m1 u1 u2 m2 v1 v2 m1 is 0.05 kilogram, m2 is 0.1 kg. Initial velocity 3 meter per second, 1.5 meter per second. V1 2.5 meter per second. V2 question. Two balls, so that is A ball, B ball. Now try to understand what is exactly given. Two balls collide with each other of different mass. Whose video is on? A ball's mass is 0.05 kg, B ball's mass is 0.1 kg. When they collide, starting velocity is 3 meter and 1.5 meter. After collision, when they rebound, their velocity of A is 2.5. What will be for B? So we know that m1 u1 plus m2 u2 mb plus mb 1 1 2 2 mu mb 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2. Like that rhythmic you can remember, rhythmic you can write 0.05 into 3 plus 0.05 into 1.5 is equal to 0.1 into 2.5 plus 0.1 into x. 5 is a 15, 1 2 point, so this point. 15 5 is a 75. So 1 point this, 1 point this, 1 point this, so 3 point. So you can write for 3 points 150. So 150 plus 75, it is 225. 1 into 25 is 25. But 1 decimal, 2 decimal plus 0.1 x. So now I will take this minus. After decimal, back to the last digit you can put 0. This is 2, and this is also 2, 1, and M2 is 0.1. Sorry, by mistake I have placed wrong value. 0.05 into 0.1. 0.1, 0.05. Okay. Now this will be 150, correct? Plus this also will be 150. Now this is 125. This is 0.1, it is correct. So this will be 0.3, 0.125 plus 0.1 x. Now 0.1 x is equal to 0.3 minus, you can write 300 minus 0.125. So 0.1 x, 300 minus 125 is 175. So x is equal to 0.175 divided by 0.1. So final answer will be, one decimal will shift, so 1.75, and that is meter per second. So write this. Or take a screenshot. Now try to now, if you have textbook, page number 16, match the column. Very important. Everything I will not write, I will write in short. First column, second column, third column. First is what? Negative acceleration, positive acceleration, zero acceleration. Speed decrease, negative acceleration. Speed increase, positive acceleration. No change in the speed, zero acceleration. Now column number 2. The velocity of the object remain constant. So first यहाँ आएगा. In second column 3 are given, so first will become at the bottom. No change in speed, zero acceleration. Second, velocity of the object decrease. So second यहाँ है. Velocity of the object increase, so positive. So first, second, third. ये तो first, second, third same. That this will be the same. Now this you have to match like this. I will not write each and every because it is given. Now column number 3. Car initially at rest. Car at rest. Now moving means speed increase. Speed increase means positive. A vehicle is moving with a velocity. Vehicle is moving. No increase, no decrease, no rest. 3. Vehicle moving. After 5 seconds, 10 meter. After 5 seconds means from the rest. And it will, no, it is moving and it will stop. So decrease, negative. So this is first, second, third, same as it is. In column number 2, first you have to write here, second you have to write here, third you have to write here. In column number 3, first you have to write here, second here, third here. So this is your match the column. These two distinct ways I have given.
force acceleration sum is there. This is number 11. Solve example.
From next chapter, from next lecture, I will. Attendance I am taking my screenshot. You don't worry. Athletic is running on a circular track. He run distance 400 meter. Time 25 second. Speed speed it is distance by time. Total distance 400 divided by 25, so it is 16 meter per second. At the time of speed, don't send message. I said don't send message. For only attendance you are coming. I have that all Piyush, you are not listening, bacha. I have all numbers and name on the screen. I will take this screenshot at the end, and as per that I will mark present absent. Velocity. Velocity means displacement, not distance. Displacement by time. So after from here to here it will come. So no displacement. So 0 meter per second. So velocity means displacement, or speed means displacement by time. So the speed is equal to distance by time. Velocity is displacement by time. So here the actual distance covered, but from where to where it is coming, to that same position means 0. Now acceleration is given 3.2 meter per second square. Time is equal to given 30 seconds. Start with 0 meter per second. So what is the question? How much distance it will travel? So Vs is equal to ut plus half et square. S ut u t half a t square. This will be 0. Make it half, 1.6. 3 3s are 9, 100. S is equal to, the product is 1440 meter. This product. So the total distance travel, that is 1440 meter. See, these numericals are very important for 10th standard also, because this same to same question come in 10th standard also. So first learn the formula and to find out what is the meaning of each and every symbol. Then I said don't send the attendance, then also you are sending. though I have the message in recording, I will mark absent. You should know the name of that symbol and unit, in which unit you want into the formula. Again you are sending message. This and for attendance, no, madam is also very serious that in all over St. Lawrence High School 9th standard B division, lowest attendance, and they are going to take parents meeting. They will call the parents to the school who will be absent. So be very strict for the attendance. In all the subject you have to be present.